Hi, welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy our next videos and subscribe to our channel. Hi, my name is Mac, and this is my dad's Cayman R 2012 987.2 model. He drives it daily, so it's at about 49,000 miles right now. It's got 400 horsepower, and I would say there's only like roughly 1,400 of the models created. So this is one of the rarer versions. So generally, yeah. So he had this car used before, so he has it after, so he's the second buyer of the car.
Okay.
Yeah. And then something extra, he added a bike rack on the top just to add a little bit.
That's unique,
Yeah, very unique to do that. A lot of people have mixed feelings about it because it's very unusual, but it's kind of making a statement. It's something new.
Right.
So yeah,
So now,
definitely.
do you go biking with him?
I do not go biking with him. He's a mountain biker, so he goes pretty often.
Right.
So he goes after work most of the days, and I'm at home.
Oh, wow.
So yeah.
Wow. And then so you defend your father's.
Yeah, I love cars. I'm always with him at the car shows. So
There you go. That's cool. That's
yeah.
Cool. And then so that's a lot of horsepower, 400 for a smaller car.
Right.
And so does that car go fast?
It does. It goes pretty fast. We went on a road trip to another car show out of the state, and we were on the highway, and it was just going really smoothly. It's a low car, and it seems like it would be bumpy because of the potholes, but it drives super smooth. It's pretty fast, I would say.
And then I think he also attended a Porsche show.
I think he did. I'm not sure. Yeah, he went to California for a car show. I think it was in LA. I'm not sure the details on that, but he told me it was very, 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 very big car show. So, yeah, definitely.
But you can't wait to get your
Right. Yeah, for sure.
Are you going to learn in this?
Yeah, I've been driving in a couple of the cars. He has a 4Runner truck, and we also have a Subaru. It's an Explorer, so it's lower, and I'm kind of small, so it's easier to drive in. But once I get my license, I'm going to start driving in this. I have my permit. I'm 15, so hopefully we're going to be driving in that soon.
And then have you ever been like to a racetrack with him?
I have not. We want to. We just have to get permission from my mom, but definitely soon, hopefully.
Can we take a look at the interior?
Yes, we can. Hopefully it's unlocked, so we'll walk in through here. So he has his professional race face.
So this is going to be your seat eventually.
Hopefully.
Right? That is so cool.
Yeah, it's awesome.
That is so cool. Now this is quite different than the, because I think he had the Camaro the last time.
Yeah, he has a 70 Camaro, and he has one of the Camaros from Transformers movies, one of the 7 with the real motors that they use in the movies. He has the Bumblebee.
Oh, does he?
Yeah.
Really?
So, that one's bright yellow.
Really?
Definitely also making a statement, like the other cars in their bike racks.
And is it Bumblebee, all decked out Bumblebee, or is it just
I would,
yellow?
yeah, generally it's got the stripes. It's got like some of the funny designs from the movies, so it's even more, yeah.
So I'm just going to take a look at like the brakes over here.
Right, yeah.
That is so sweet. And so when you have when you learn how to drive, which car do you want to learn how to drive in?
Well, the Bumblebee is stick, so I want to learn stick in that. I don't know, it's very fast, so I might need to learn stick in a different car.
Right.
But I would say I really do love this car, so I think this is a good one for me. The 70 Camaro is automatic also, so.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah.
That is so cool. So
Yeah.
and then that way, no, I just think about you getting a bike and then.
Right. I could definitely do that. He would have to learn and teach me how to set it up and all, but eventually, yeah.
Now, have you've heard of something called the Autobahn?
I have heard of Autobahn. I'm pretty sure he's been there a couple times. I'm not sure. Yeah.
So cool. And then let's see, what else? Anything else about the car? Is it is it loud inside?
Yeah, it's pretty loud. Yeah, definitely. It's like it's very smooth, but it sounds like a race car. It's like really, really fun to drive.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That is cool.
Awesome.
Do you know what color this is? It kind of looks like
midnight blue, I think, is the assigned version, but he painted the hood black. Yeah.
Right. Wow.
So this one's midnight blue, I'm pretty sure.
That is so cool.
Awesome.
That is so cool. Great.
Awesome.
The,
Thanks for watching.